Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair using the Ion Color Brilliant12 in the shade Blue Black. And this color has like 12 benefits with like vitamins and fruits and veggies and all the like good stuff that your hair needs to make it ultra glossy and insanely shiny. Like, look at that shine. This is one of their like ultra glossy shiny collections that I've never used before, and so far it's doing its job. It's doing a good job. It is. So yesterday I was outside and it was gorgeously sunny, and I got pictures of what it looks like in the sun, and it is so blue. It is amazing. It looks super dark and jet black, which I also love, and it looks so blue. Look at that. Look how dark that is. But then look at how blue that is. Do you see the blue? It is so blue. You should definitely see what it looks like in the sun. Pictures don't do justice. Like, it is gorgeous. It is amazing. So, let's see. It does not have a harsh smell. It smells like cherries. It's not overwhelmingly scented. Your hair does still smell like hair dye afterwards. Even though I washed my hair twice, it still smells like hair dye. But it's not like huge where it like has that nasty, like I just colored my hair smell, because I've used some of those and it's gross. This is not like that. It does not smell bad. It's not one of those hair colors that you really need a ventilated room. You can do it with like, I did it in my small bathroom and I didn't even have the window open and it was perfectly fine. There's no irritation whatsoever. It is really thick though. I highly recommend getting a whisk. If you do not have a hair color whisk, I recommend just doing a little bit of color and a little bit of mix and then stir it and then just keep doing that until it's a smooth consistency, because it will get to like a cottage cheese type mix when you're mixing it and you're just gonna be like, what? And just keep going until it's super smooth and then you'll be fine. Other than that, it cleans up really good. Like if you get it on a white sink or like in your tub, you could just use a sponge and water and you're golden. You don't need any harsh cleaners for this. It did stain my skin, but like I said, I had to wash my hair twice because of that whole incident. It came off after the second wash, so it's not a big deal. It's nothing to like worry about, but it's such a beautiful color. I have nothing bad to say about this. It's really good. This color, the Ion Brilliant12, has Toluene chemical in it, no PPD whatsoever. Like that was those are kind of major things that need to be addressed along with the color. But there's nothing I hate about this color. It is awesome. I highly recommend it. We'll see how long it lasts. I mean, it lasted 2 washes, so 2 washes on the same day. Who does that? Not me. I always wash my hair like once a week, so my hair color normally lasts like a good full month, but sometimes there's colors that just don't last 2 washes. And we'll see. This one so far has lasted 2 washes and we're good to go. But if you have any other recommendations and stuff, let me know in the comments below. If there's anything that you want me to try, also let me know in the comments below. I will try to I like to get back to everybody as soon as possible. So when you leave me a comment, I try to get back that day or like as soon as like I get a notification that I get it. Yeah, so don't forget to like my video if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.